Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. So here we are on day 21 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So how did you get on yesterday? How did you get on with swaying and breathing the tone of the muscles and then meeting the tone of the body, and again focusing on that lovely inhale and the lightness coming through, and as you feel the tone of your muscles, as you feel the lift and the rise coming up through, you get that lovely lifting sensation. How did you get on with that? How much of it did you get? Did you get it all? Are you unsure of anything? Did you have this? Did you have that experience? Again, anything that you want to put out there, is put it down in comments, and again we'll tease it out. Yeah. So today's challenge is, what we're going to look at is putting both of those together, and we're looking to get into that feeling of body breathing. Is that we take our breath awareness and that we bring it into the body and we feel like we're breathing the whole body. Okay, so again, there will be a couple of sessions on this and we'll tease it out in different ways. But the one we're going to do today is, what I want you to do again, come into your gentle sway. It's just a little sway. And then what I want you to do is channel your breath like you were doing. Now meet the muscles of your lungs and feel the tone in your body and meet the tone in your body. And you're syncing up as you sway to one side, you're inhaling. As you sway to the other side, you're exhaling. So you're just syncing up your center of gravity. You're syncing up the tone of your body. And again, as you exhale, is follow the tone down to your sit bones. As you inhale, follow the tone up to the top of your skull. So as you exhale, you're exhaling, and you're coming to the pause at the end of your exhale, and bringing the tone all the way down to your sit bones. As you inhale, you're inhaling all the way to the peak of the pause, the inhale. At the same time, you get that lovely lifting and rising through the top of the skull. Now this is going to create that elongation, that root and rise. But at the same time, you're breathing from pause to pause. And you're really getting into the central nervous system in the body, because you're opening up your spine's elongating. It'll engage your core more. So again, remember we talked about breathing the pauses, and you get that lovely extra heightened awareness and that sense of more electricity. There's more energy running through the current. Is now see if you can start to feel that. I'm getting goosebumps when I say this to you. When you start to feel that in your body, is you start to breathe your body, you're breathing your central nervous system. And you're just taking your breath awareness and breath, and you're just moving deeper into yourself. So if you start to feel these tingly sensations or runs of energy or these wave sensations of tone through your body, is now you know your body breathing. That's how you know you're getting into your body and your body breathing. Super duper. And it's very simple. You're going to do what you did the last 2 days. You're going to put it together. As you exhale, come to the pause at the end of your exhale and just feel the tone of your body meet that. As you inhale, and you're meeting the pause at the peak of the inhale, and you're feeling your body, the tone of your body meet that too. And you get this beautiful elongation. And again, you'll feel that extra heightened awareness, but it'll be very much in your body. You get these lovely waves of sensation in your body, and it's waves of consciousness and then waves of energy moving through your body. Okay, so see how you get on. And again, is again 30 seconds practice, no more than a minute. So if you do 10 of them, that's really good. You know, if you do 20 of them, that is amazing. And if you do 30 of them, that is excellent. Okay, but if you did 30 of them, it wouldn't amount to more than 30 minutes practice. But what you're doing is you keep bringing your awareness back and layering in all those qualities. So it's a powerful practice, because what you're doing is you're opening up the pathways. So all these different qualities are in there, and you're just attuning to them, and you're bringing your awareness to the different pathways, the different frequencies within you, and then you find yourself just moving in those spaces. And all you're doing is opening up your awareness to your breath. And think about your breath is like an inner chamber. It's like you're getting into your central nervous system, and there is just an Aladdin's cave of frequencies and energies in there, and you're just attuning to all those beautiful qualities. Okay, so you're just tapping into what's already there. So yeah, I'm waffling a little bit today. Listen, have a great day, and again, please subscribe if you haven't. is, again, put your comments or queries down below, and again, click for notification, click a like even, and have a great day, and chat to you tomorrow. Thank you.